Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change OBS virtual camera picture. When the OBS virtual cam plug in, the output of the virtual camera would be just plain gray when virtual cam was disabled, which was nice if you turned on your camera before you started virtual cam and didn't want to be distracting on your meeting. But now, for OBS 26, the virtual camera shows a logo when offline, which is non-ideal. So you can replace the placeholder .png in C Program, Files OBS Studio, Data OBS Plugins, win the show, but note it will revert after an update. Make sure you're saving it in the same format. 24-bit PNG 1920 by 1080. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.